Come on, right? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're up $320 for the day. So I've been trading for 1 year now, and I have been unprofitable. That was last year. And now this year, this month, I have been profitable because I discovered the strategy. And so my goal is to basically, when I was in my first year of day trading, I didn't know nothing was going on. I was seeing all these sharks, right? All my money, scammers and all that. And it's hard to find a strategy. And I found one. And so I want to basically give back and show live how day trading works, and then as well as, you know, hear my thoughts and my process and all that stuff. So with that said, let's begin. First thing that I do right here is that we're gonna mark our pre-market high and our pre-market low. This chart right here is SPY, so let's go ahead and do that right off the bat. SPY is not having a lovely day, it looks like. Let's mark our pre-market high. Oh my goodness, what in the world? This is probably the pre-market high, but I'm gonna just focus on this one. But I'll keep an eye though for if we were to pass here, if the price moves above here, I'll keep that pre-market high in mind. But generally, you want to just mark the pre-market high wherever it's at. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and duplicate this, and let's move it all the way down to the pre-market low. And I make this color blue. You know, anything below here, the stock is underwater, swimming. It needs to breathe. It needs to come out of there. Alright, it's like that. This is SPY right here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so what we're looking for is this setup. Ready for this? We trade VWAP. This is a very simple strategy, and we trade VWAP. So whenever you look at it, just focus on the VWAP. Alright, there's 3 steps to my strategy. A break, a close, a retest. And then we enter that retest. Right? We enter that retest. So this for example right here, this is a break. Because not this right is a break. This is technically a break right here. This is a break. A break is like where the candles are in between the VWAP. That's a break. The next thing I look for is a 5-minute close. All right, this is the 5-minute close. And the third one is that entry, a break, a close, and a retest. And we enter that retest. So we got a break, we got a close above, and we wait for that retest. Tap to the VWAP or as close as we can, but it's right here, so still have a big gap. We don't enter that one, right? Let's keep moving on, right? All right, here we go. Here we got a break, we got a close, and now we wait for a retest. Oh, there's there's still a gap. We don't do that one. Take a look at this beauty. This is our retest right here. So we buy puts right here. We load up puts right here, and we have a stop loss about, I would say, either here. Sorry, I meant to say right here. So my stop loss would be right here, this wick. I just look for the closest wick that's a little bit away from the VWAP. I look at that and I just place my stop loss there. So this would have been our risk right here, up to here, and our reward. I mean, look at this. Yeah, this strategy tends to repeat a bit more often than you think. And we just simply relax and wait. Alright, so there are 2 conditions in which we're going to enter this position here with SPY. A, on the upside, if we have a break, and the next 5-minute closes above, the VWAP, and the other 5-minute gets a retracement, we'll be entering to go long. Right? We'll be entering to go long. That's set 1. By the way, Roblox is not doing too well. Bye. Let's do this. Let's go. SPY is looking good. It's actually my favorite setup because, I mean, the VWAP supporting pre-market low. Ooh, and we get a retest. I need to see a close after this candle. After this candle, we got 2 minutes into this candle left. Once we have a break, then the next candle, I have to wait additional 5 more minutes. Unfortunately, I gotta do that. That's my strategy. And that candle, that beauty, that candle closes above it. Ooh. And then that third candle opens up and retraces enough for me to enter near that VWAP. I'm going heavy on it. I'm telling you, I'm going heavy on it. Alright? And I'm probably gonna have my stop loss right here. If this goes against me, it's gonna suck, you know. I'm probably gonna lose, you know. Yeah, I'm probably gonna lose some good amount of money if it does go against me. But generally, my odds are in my favor for this. But we will see. We'll see it. But I also don't want to see wicks, right? I want to enter with a wick. I mean, that tells you something, right? We wait patiently. We wait patiently. We sit back. We relax. We wait. All right, cool. We have a close above. So we have a break. Now we're going to wait for this candle to close above. Can we buy this? Yeah. But is it our strategy? No. We wait for a 5-minute close above. This is a break. Now this candle needs to close above this VWAP. Until then, let's go ahead and take a look at, since it's doing pretty well. The body is above here, which is a good sign. And our next candle here, if this body closes above here, right? And our next candle we come closer to here, we'll be buying. We will be buying to go. We'll be buying. Alright, we got 2 more minutes. Let's go. We got 2 more minutes. Alright, this candle, the higher this candle closes above here, ooh, that retest is gonna be beauty. That retest is gonna be beauty for sure. Can I still enter with only 2 minutes into the whatever? Nope. I gotta follow my rule. I'm probably gonna miss this opportunity if it goes up against, if it goes up, and that's fine. I'll have to let it happen. I gotta follow my rule to the T. Period. Alright, I am gonna be ready for a call option here. Let's prepare this. Let's go. Again, ignore that. Ignore that $239. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. We got 1 more minute. 1 more minute into this close. Here we go. Here we go. 1 more minute here. We want to see this area. We want to see that 471. 471 range. 471. We also got 471.65, 471.72. That's what we're looking for. Any retracement to the VWAP, basically. I don't care what the price. I just need any retracement to the VWAP. This is beautiful right here. Are we gonna get it? That'll be great. If we don't get it, we're not gonna chase. We're gonna call it a day. That's it, right? It's gonna suck if we don't get it. I ain't gonna lie, All right, I'm gonna just enter lightly here. Step 2 closer to the I just enter lightly. Here we go. I entered on the 9. I entered on the 9. Generally, I like to wait a bit. Here we go. And I'm gonna enter. Oh, I missed it. Shoot. Missed it. Come on. Yes. I'm actually kind of heavy in this position. Low key, guys. Low key. Alright, we are getting a retest by the way, and I'm actually buying these retests to the VWAP. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. Add more to that VWAP retest here. Right, our stop loss will be below that wick, as you guys can see. There we go. Below that wick, we're gonna start to reconsider getting out of the position and call it a day with a major loss. Right here. We don't want to go below here. For sure, we don't want to do that. Just keep it in mind. Anything below here, I mean, I wouldn't say here. Here's too close to the VWAP. Let's not do the same mistake as last time. So maybe like right here. Right, this would be our sell-off. Alright. If we start to move below that area, we're gonna just get out of the position, really. It's a really major dump, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a bit surprised I dumped this low. Okay, we got our wick up. There we go. Let's see what happens here. We're gonna move up. Beautiful wick. Alright, we're doing really well in this session. All right, here we go. Wow, beautiful here, beautiful, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I mean, we made it. We followed our rule. We followed it to the T. And right now, I just sold off. I sold off. I had 25 contract in, and now I only got 5 in. Now I only got 5 in. You know, I only got 5 in. When it, you know, something like this, I gotta get off. You know, my next, you know, as you can see, is I'm selling based on 5. You know, in a move like this, I want to just scale it off slowly. So I'm gonna go ahead and go here real quick and move it to 1, just to kind of slowly scale off. So I'm gonna do that. So far, so good. I'm gonna get 1 out just because $4. I'll take it. You know. All right, I think we can confidently be in this position. Again, you know, guess what we did on this position right now? Guess what we did? What we did right now in this position, we fixed the errors that we did earlier. Which is what? We were too tight in our stop loss. We were too tight in our stop loss. I probably would say that's what we did here. We're up $280 some. Like, we're doing really well in this position. Right? We're doing really well. I went ahead and sold off again. It's because it looks, oh wow, we're up $300. How is that? I have no idea how that is. But on our option trading today, we're up $300. Let's go. That is awesome. We are doing really well in this position. We're up right now, $50 again. We're up 3 contracts in place. We're doing really, really, really well. We're up. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of 1 more. I took 1 more contract out. We got 2 in place. We got 2 in place. We're letting this ride. We're letting these 2 ride. Let's go. Strategy works. Yes, there are times we get flustered, you know? We get flustered. It's fine. We have to just have the confidence. We move forward. That's it. All right? We got 1 contract in place right now. It's probably going to do a retest to that 9. You know, it may not do it. It might do it. But I'll be getting out of it anything out below the 90. All right? That's my final execution here. I'm going to get out if we start to move below the 90. Period. Right? So the 90 right now, this is no longer my stop. Right here is going to be, here's the 90 right here, right? If the price goes below the 90, we're out. This move looks too powerful. It looks like it's likely going to continue moving up. We're going to hold on to these 2 contracts as runner contract. We're going to execute to sell them if it goes against us by passing the 90. That's our plan right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're up $320 for the day. You know, we had a choppy in the beginning. We still followed our rule. That's fine. Don't get flustered. That's fine. Even though we did, low-key. Low-key, we did. Yo, that's probably one of my best live day trading I've ever experienced. I'm not gonna lie. I really came a long way. I'm telling you, I came a long way in having this ability to, you know, be in control and be relaxed. And all right, cool. We're up. We are flying right now. So now we have to look into our next major spots to get 1 contract out. Right? So I probably would say right here. Right here looks reasonable. We take a look at this. So right here, we start to move up to this area. We're gonna get out. So now we have it in place. What we're gonna be doing, right? We have now 2 conditions set. We have 3 conditions set in place. We got 4 conditions set in place. No. We got 2. We got 2 conditions for us to sell out of this position. All right. First one is right here, this level. We're done. Right. The second one is right here, this level. We're done. We're out. Either one, we're out. Either one, we're out. That's it. That's it. We're out. What I can do right now, because I'm very confident that it's probably not gonna hit here, I'm probably gonna move this up to this level here. All right. Let's go ahead and move this up here. I don't think we need to do. We already got the money we need to get. We're fine. We're fine. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're up $40 again. We're up $40. I don't know how the hell we got up so much. $320. I'm a bit surprised. I'm a bit surprised. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little surprised on that. I guess I'm not too surprised. We were really moving up a lot. I mean, I mean, $320. Come on. Come on, right? Come on. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. And our option trade right now, right? For stocks today, you know, we took a little bit of an L for $75. We called it a day with it. All right, cool. We're now retracing back to that stop loss. We're gonna go ahead and get one out of here. We have to follow our rule. We gotta follow our rule. We're fine. We follow our rule here. We only got one contract in place. If this thing starts to move down, I took one out right now. I took one out because it did touch our it touched, I don't know if you guys can actually see this trade here. Let me zoom it in better. Yeah, it did touch it. I took one out. That's what I did. I got only one in place right now. We really don't care what this one does. We've already made our money. This is just a runner, really. And we're up $330 on the day. Let's go. Come on. What? Your boy a little excited right now. Your boy a little excited, you know? Alright, cool. We're moving below it, so we're gonna get out of this position. We're done. We're for the day. Come on. We're done. We followed our rule to the T. We got out of the position because we had two conditions in place for us to sell this position. Yes. Could we still had the original idea where, nah, bro, let's wait. We get to the 9 below. Yes, we could have done it, but we're fine. You know what I mean? We're good. We're good. I think we're fully out of the position. Yeah, we're fully out of the position. We're done. Yes, I get it. You know, could we have done that? Yes, but it's important to take your money. I don't negotiate with profits. I don't do that shit. I'm taking my profit where I say I'm gonna take. We're done. I'm very quick to take profits. I'm gonna call it. Right now we really went all the way to that 90. With that original, we probably wouldn't need to sell, but we're gonna keep it at this. We're fine. This is a great day trading strategy. Easy, simple, right? Simple. Guess what? I'm done for the day now.